Hey, what's up guys? Today on the channel we are going to be talking about the TP-Link Wi-Fi extender. Yeah, it runs at 2G, 5G. It's got a smart plug. It's a great extender. I've never had any dropout problems with it. I've been using it just over a week now and no problems whatsoever. The smart plug's a nice little addition. You can control the outlet, the one plug, by your phone. So if you got some cool lights or something you want to turn off and on or whatever, you know, you can do a little magic trick, impress your kids. I did, and they thought it was pretty cool. But yeah, definitely check it out. I had a problem with the router connecting to the back of my house, which goes through probably 3 or 4 different walls. I'll do a little walkthrough video so you can see how far back it actually is. And running Netflix, running Hulu, running YouTube, all that stuff to the back bedroom. No problem whatsoever. Got internet up here on the computer now that works flawlessly. Yeah, it's awesome. Super affordable. There's different ones I was looking at for 20-30 bucks more than I bought this one for, and this one has way more to offer. It gets you a taste of the future right here with the little smart plug ditty. I don't know, I never thought I'd get into the smart home thing, but maybe I will because it's actually kind of cool. But yeah, check it out. I'll link it below. Nothing to lose. Peace.